Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove contact photo on any iPhone. Now, if you want to remove a photo from the contact on your iPhone, first of all, just open the Contacts app, then select the contact from which you want to remove the photo. After you have selected the contact, then tap on Edit, then tap on Edit one more time. Now, you cannot delete the contact photo, but you can select an emoji, a monogram, or an emoji. For an example, I will select a monogram. From here, you can change the font and the font thickness from here. And also you can change the background color. Just like that. Now, after you've done that, just tap on Choose and tap on Done. Now, if you want to select the old contact poster, just select the old one, or you can select the new one. Then tap on Done. And once you do that, you will remove the contact photo on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can remove the contact photo on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.